video. So I am thinking for the coming the weekly analysis video for your help. Some your can find the good levels in the gold, Bitcoin, and others of big forex pairs. So I am thinking, so I will take a good video for you, and I am not live streaming today for the weekly analysis video. So I am thinking for you the I am coming out the good video for you. So I will create the video. So guys, let's see you in the charts. Okay, that's my charts was open. So coming into the charts. Okay, thank you for watching. So we are going with the this week analysis video. So that's the daily time frame, guys. The gold is the super bullish. You can see this. Gold is now the super bullish, and that's the was trending right now. I am thinking. So that's the daily time frame. Will be it is the sell side liquidity also grab. So it's the done. So right now here the weekly daily time frame candle is the very bullish, but it's have a no bottom wick for this the candles low, and that's the price action was pending on this the level. So that's the one pullback and some inducement will be come onto their areas up to this area is a 44550. Okay, that's the level was pending right now here. So that's the daily time frame. You will understand that first. So that's the previous week zone. You can see this. That's the previous week zone. This my what is my trend. So you will see this first. That's the previous day zone. So you can see that the previous trade zone, the price was support on this area and price was continuously up, going the upside. So that's now the very bullish for gold, but that's the daily time frame candle, that's the day candle. Day candle have a no bottom wick. So I think it was coming to this bottom wick, grab the zone and sweep this liquidity, and it will be also the pullback from this the zone because the price was very bullish at this time. The daily time frame is the bullish, okay, and also the weekly bullish. You will check your chart. So that's the two major time frame. The higher time frame is very bullish at this time. So we are find a good bullish entries for this week. Understand, guys? So we are find a good zone. Okay, let's see. And sorry for this. Let's go. So we are going with the 15 minutes candle. The 4 hour first interest because we are interested in the 4 hour. We are coming in the 4 hour, and what will we see on this time? So you can see this. That's price was tapped the previous day support resistance zone, and that's the resistance, and it will be now converted to the support area. And why the price will be fall from here because that's the FBT also here, so price will be falling from here. Okay, so let's talking about the market structure right now. It is the very bullish structure will be here. You can understand that, and it's the good level will be playing from here. You will be see this, the how the beautiful level. This is the previous support area. Market will tap and market will go from there. So it's the very good indication for the market is the very bullish right now. So then the market was the continuously buying side from the today morning from the Asian sessions. So it will be some inducement. So we are entries for the this pullbacks was we are one, and you can see this that's also the zone here. So we are inserted our entries over this zone, and it's the price was more down. So it's good for the more because we are the price was we are having on the discount areas. Okay, discount areas. So I am thinking about this level. So you will be understand what will be here. So let's going with the 1 hour areas. So what will we see? So we have set a few on this area. Okay. So you also the want a good gold strategy. You also DM us. Okay. I definitely told about this the zone and I'm about that told about strategy. Okay. So there is a, you can see this, there is a pending buying area also here. You will be see this. That's the good entry for the discount price area for the gold. So I am definitely wait for this the zone, and that's a very important area also. Okay, we can why? Because you can see this, that's the fib area, and it will be you will go with the 4 hours, so you will be understand that the previous support resistance zone was in the break above this area, and market will be start to shift from this here, and the huge price action, the huge the FBGs was there. Okay, so you can see this. That's the huge 8BG guys. That's the 4 hour 8BG. That's the 4 hour 8BG. The 4 hour 8BG is that. So we are know the market always love FBGs. Okay, because that's the gap in price. Okay, so market definitely feel for this, and that's also one more buying zone here. And you can see this, that's the TGL one buying area, and it is that's the TGL two buying area we will find in the fib area. So that's the and that's the previous week, the New York low liquidity. That's the New York low liquidity. Okay, so market come pullback entries above this zone, so we are find a good buying entry areas. Okay, otherwise we are watch the market. Okay, and I am coming live on the analysis, so I will find a good entry zone. Okay, so let's talking about the, you can see this. Just first wait for this. I am going with the 13 minutes. So we are coming in the 13 minutes. So let's find a good entry zone. So just set the key area first, and you will understand is that the why the price was just go from there. So you will know, you will be understand the strategy, and you will want the strategy for the gold. So you will definitely told me I'm definitely one strategy coming for you. Okay, and you can see this, that's the previous support resistance area. That's the price was very fairly fill the not fill the gap and heavily pushing to the upside, and that's why the heavy ABGs will be there in the 13 minute also. You can actually that's the full gap up opening in the gold. Okay, that's a more than 500 pip gap up opening in the gold. So you can see this, that's the TGL one buying area also is that. So price was respected the TGL one buying area. It's okay, or this level also find there from. Okay, and why the price was moved from there, so you will be understand that that's the TGL1 buying area. Okay guys, that's the price was goes from there, so that's the TGL1 buying area. This is the TGL1 buying area. You can go and shift to the 5 minutes, so you will be understand very well. That's the TGL 2 buying area also that, and that's the that's the support now in the intraday level markets. That market is the that's the market high. That's the market's all-time high. Okay, is that the market all-time high? You will understand that very well. This day at the market all-time high right now is there. Okay, so you will be understand. I will remove the feed. So you'll understand this that there will find two levels. The three levels was find right now. So that's the very good area. And how many weeks over this zone we are find it first. So that's the how many weeks over this area. It's the very big area also find. You can see this. That's the 100 piece plus area. So we are find a more accurate area is I think is that was in it's already playing. Okay, that was already playing. So I think there have a it's going for this area. Okay, and that time mark it 15 minutes wait guys, because that's a very important for the markets, and it will be playing this. Okay, I want that is also gap in the price. You will understand that. That's how we are now the 15 minutes. So there I will find a good refining zone. Okay, that's the gap in price and the liquidity creation by the markets. So that's the price was going down. So that's the very important for that. So I will set the pip also, the it will be find I think good A plus area. Obviously, that's the good A plus zone will be find from there. So I think that's the good enough for the going. Either there have a the liquidity only in market, so there and going with the 13 minutes, have any kind of level is there? It is that not the playing in market in the 30-minute level is that. So you will mark in a chart that you reach on this area the market how the react you will see this, and that's the 15 pips risk taking area. So you will be trade on this area. So the minimal risk you can use here, and you will understand that's the TGL2 buying area, a one area, TGL1 buying area, and that's the TGL2 buying area. So and that's the all-time high for that day. Okay, and gold is very now bullish today. So I am thinking the gold was showing sharp inducement. That's the price was why going up with this because that's the TGL2 buying area. TGL2 buying area, guys, and that's the TGL1 buying area. That's the TGL1 buying area, buying zone also, and that's our discount premium zone. Okay. So we are definitely interested about these areas, and that's the two level. It's already done it. You can see this, and that's the heavy ABGs here. That's the gap up. Actually, that's not the ABG. That's the gap up opening and the huge gap in the price. So market always love the gap filling. So definitely market will then it will create a new all-time high. That's the all-time high or not? It's definitely all-time high. So it's the all-time high and market create the new all-time high. It will be induced from there and coming every level. And I think that's already playing already. You can see this and it also playing on this. So you will be trade about the scalp trade on this zone and you cannot proper with the good entries and market will come above this area, so you will be going with the sniper entries above this zone. Either you will be only trade about the 1 2 3 zone we have to define. That's the one zone. Telling you guys, that's the first zone, that's the second zone, and that's the A plus third zone. You will be understand that. So we have into this week we are three levels, the A plus level that's in the higher time frames. So we are going with this type of levels, and otherwise I am definitely come on the live stream. So you will be joined. I will be finding the small scalp entries for the trades. Otherwise, it is the big trades for the intraday levels you will be find here, and you can see this. That's now the very huge price gapping on this zone. So market was some inducing the price for this time, and you will some find the selling entries for the. You can first judge above this area market is closing above this zone, so you will find the A plus entries for the this inducement you will be captured. So you will be find the selling scalp entries. But right now this time guys I'm told you the market structure is the very bullish. So you going with the selling it's the very risky for that time. Okay guys. So that's the plan and that's the level that time we are fine in the gold. So let's talking about the other pairs in the I think BTC is that. So that's the level I will giving you. You will just see this. You can see this the level how the market will be reacting over this zone. Market was respectfully left this zone, so it's the good for our trade. Okay, it's the TGL1 buying area already playing. Okay, is the TGL2 buying area is already playing. So that time there is a one more area is that not the playing by market here. Okay. So we are going with this this candle, this 5 minute candles. I think not playing the A plus. So that have a one more level, and that's the two refining zone also here. So we are check the market how the market will be react over this zone. Okay. So in 15 minutes, it's a pending area also. Yes, that's the 15-minute A plus zone. It's tap, I think. But if you can say this, the market structure creating a the very structure right now. The sell off is the coming fast on this area. So that's the good for the gold. You can mark this for the for this time, okay? And 13 minute is the good right now. So 13 minute have a, and this A plus already playing, this is playing in the 13 minute. So that's the very important for the 5 minutes. Okay guys, that's a very important zone. I think it already playing here. So you can see this that's the support area and how the market will be react. You can see this on this zone. But already it's already done. But you can check this. I think the support was break on this zone. So price was filling to this gap. Okay. And I think it's everything will be playing here. So that's no more zone right now, and market will be playing good from this area also. That's the 200 pips buying for showing already. So they're already playing, but you can see this how the market will react, and it will be market don't respect the level. It will be cross the sale of continuation from this the area. So market will definitely selling on this zone. Okay, that's the pure gold analysis for the time, and we are going for the Bitcoin. Okay, that's. You can see this Bitcoin is now the resistance area break. So we are going on the 1 day. So let's see this how the market will be happening here. We are in the daily time frame zone. Okay, so let's we are in the daily time frame zone, and market will respect this A plus level. Okay, that's the previous support area. Market will respect that. So that now I actually Bitcoin is bearish right now. Okay, guys. Simply I am told you Bitcoin is very bearish. Not it's the not bullish structure. It only you can trade about you only trap by the wheels. Okay, because and you can see this the sell off was coming very fast. So you can see this that the daily time frame support and market will tap and market will be fall from here. So that's now the daily time frame buying zone area. So price will be come and it will be goes from there. Only buying area is that. So it will be not respect this zone. So it will be more down from this area and it will be the A plus for the price was going from there. So let's talking about the we are going for the some smaller areas. So that's the daily time frame. So 4 hour, what is that? So you can see this 4 hour is that the buying zone I think. So let's you can see this it's completely changed the breakup structure and the choke in the higher time frames. Okay, it's completely the breakup structure in the 4 hour and it will be completely down from the higher time frame. So you can only that about and it's the 4 hour buying area buying zone is the also trapped here and that's the A plus level was not tap so it's the coming out this level and you can only the sell off from this level. Okay guys, I'm told you that time that's the level was there. So this trend line you can mark on your chart and you see this you can also set the fib above this area. So you will be see this that's the golden area also. I'm also just prove it and price was come to this area and we will create a good engulfing candle above this zone. So you will be going in the 15 minutes candle it will be create a good engulfing candle with this zone. So we will be short entries for the Bitcoin and its candle high is your SL point and its trend line is your entry point and your TP for this the candle lows. Okay, and either you TP shift for the these lows because that's the expectation the price was come. That's the TP1 and that's the TP2 because that's the potential for the price was come in the downside because that's the 4 hour choke in these areas. Okay, the 1 hour choke already done. 4 hour breakup structure done and it will be good showing the sell pressure for the upside. So we are going with the this trade for the short entries about the gold. Let's talking about the others. So that's the only structure that we will find the good sell entries above this area is only that. Okay, guys. You can see this. That's the zone is that we will only see it, into my eyes. It will be so see this. So let's you can set the fib from here. So you will be understand how the market will sell from here. It will be discount area not. See this? That's my eyes only talking about this. So that's type of experience I have in market. So you will be interested this type of analysis. You also check my every weekly analysis video so you will understand the how will analysis in the market and how my level was playing, it's good. So you will be understanding, you will be believe was developed in your mind. So you will be some knowledgeable from our area, content. So please like and subscribe that. Okay. So that's the only find the A plus level for the Bitcoin. Otherwise, I also giving you one more sell of area is that you only trade above the two areas because that's the exception for the price was sell off from this zone. Okay, that was price sell off from this zone. Either this was not respected, but that's the golden area in the market. But you can see this, that's the market was not respected. So it's the second level, it's definitely respected. That's my expectation. You can first confirmation is that, and the very much small confirmation will be very much small risks will be you have on this zone. Okay, so you can see this, that's the 4 hour area. So you only reach the how many? That's the 25 pips risk taking zone, and how many on this? That's the 100 pips risk taking zone. So why you don't take this the risks? You definitely take your risks on this zone. Okay, guys, that's the level for the Bitcoin. So next analysis for the which pair, guys? Dow Jones. Dow Jones is very high in breakup structure. It's very bullish momentum will be showing from these areas, and very. It is also the 4 hour time frame. It was the now range. Okay, it was actually in the ranging market, the Dow Jones. So we are find a good asset. I'm not interested for the Dow Jones because I don't trade about these areas. You can see this. That's the mark. The level market was break and how many pips was falling from there. So you will understand that that's the 2,000 pips the overnight falling in the Bitcoin. Okay. So that is the only zone right now have again. Okay, and this is the discount area for your price, and you will see the that's your only the buying area also here. Pending buying zone is that you will be buying in Bitcoin, so it is your only pending buying zone. Okay, otherwise that's the sell off areas, and that is your only buying area. You will take risks over this buying zone, so that is the only buying area you have right now, right here. Okay, so you can see this. That's the A plus buying area is that, and you go. You have this area will be now the pending. Okay, otherwise everything was playing. So no have no more buying entries for the Bitcoin. Only you can find the sell entries in Bitcoin. So that's your only your own favors. Okay, so that's the Bitcoin analysis, and we are going with Ethereum also same like this. So I'm not yet. I'm talking about the big pairs. So you can see this. That's the only failing trades. That are 20 pips trades was failed. So I'm not going with this, and that's the level was now pending in the same level was pending right now. The 4 hour level also that. Let's see how the price was rating on this the EURUSD pairs level, and that's only same level will be here. So next level is the USDJPY. I think is that USDJPY. Yes, that's the USDJPY, the 4 hour time frame charts, and it will be very good of breakout structure. This is very good trend line breakout, and it's showing the good buying zone because that's the gap was already filling. So daily time frame, which is the indication, it's the good indication. The price was fill the gap also, and price move from this zone. So we are going for the 15 minutes, and it's already fill the gap also. Okay. So I think the 1 hour level we are fine for the good entries in the USDJPY. It's the level also. I think the playing. That's the A plus level was playing good. The price was goes from the good level, and that's also the create a good candle also. You understand that this candle was create a good confirmation candle for the price was very bullish right now. So I am not going with this. So we are want the more confirmations. So that's now the one more the plus buying area going in good zone. So let's and that's what that is the selling area also will find this first. Yes, guys, that's the selling zone will be fine. That's not buying area. It is now at the selling area. So it will be see this the how will market react, and it will be goes from our the good buying area also. So that's why we are not tradable. So that's the selling A plus zone for the USDJPY. It's the respectfully the market respect this level. So we are selling entries above this zone. That's the find here, and it's not respected by the market. So market was above closing above this the trend line. I'm told you again, market above closing above the trend line. Okay, guys. So I'm told like again, so price was come this area and create a good engulfing can create any red candle with the 15 minute. So 15 minutes. So we are going for the short entries above the that's our entry zone, and that's the candle high is our ASL, and that's the candle low is our TP point. So that's a good trade area for that our zone. Otherwise, market don't respect that this plan. This plan was not respected by the market. So market will breaking out this zone definitely. So market closing and pull back this zone, and we are entries for the this level. That's our second plan for this week. Otherwise, this pair is the very slow. It's the playing some slowly. It's not like a gold. So that's only the two level for this the uh, week in the this pair. Okay. So let's see the how the market will be reacting on this zone. So let's going with the other pairs. So that's the GBP USD. GBP USD going with the four daily time frames or good analysis is finding GBP USD what level will be here. It is now the very so it is the only selling level is that you only sell here. You definitely sell from here. Okay, that's a selling entry for the GBP USD also. GU for the only selling entries here with the minimum risk X. You can see this why I'm reading this. That's the level is that only. So you will selling on this zone with the confirmation candle. I'm told you then. That's a good area is that you definitely sell up these areas. That's the selling area for the higher time frames. Okay. And you also set the fib on this area, so you will be see this the market will the varies. Okay. Why I am told this? That's a very golden area for the sell up zone for the GBPSD. So you can see this how the rate the market on this areas. Otherwise, there have been only this buying zone was pending in the GBPUSD. So your target will be the very big for that time. Okay, you can trade about this selling zone. So you can target about the this area. That's the very big zone for the GBPUSD. More than that's the 140 zone. That's a good zone find for right now. Okay, that's the 100 pip trading zone will be find here, and market is the very close right now. You can also see this. So that's the confirmation. I think I'm told you. And one more thing was told you. The price was first breaking out this area, not rest. You can show the showing the it's not break out this area, and it is the level also the hidden level and the breaker block also. It's called the breaker block. Okay, that's the breaker block. So it will be break out this zone and it will be confirmed show on this the any 5 minute 5 minute breakup structure was showing. So you'll be inside your selling entries, and this candle highs is your SL. So it's not the big SL was creating, it's the more than 10 to 15 pips risk was there. So you will be going with the very easily because you trade gold, you will be taking the 15 pips risk, so you will be only 10 pips risk only this trade, and you can hold your trade for the whole week because that's a good range for the trades. Okay, so I am told you about this the forex pair. So that's for the this trade level entries. So let's talking about the another uh, pair. So that's I told you that's a big pair for the forex. And that's a very volatile also. So GBP that's the GBP JPY. GBP JPY is the very gap filling area. I'm not find that time zone. It will the liquidation trade, and that's the only buying zone is that it's coming more than down and it will be goes from there. So that's our acceptation. So I will find just watch the market and it will be create the liquidity for the higher time frames. So I'm not interested right now in the this pair. But you will be I'm not interested for the GBP JPY trade. And so that's the analysis for the day guys. So that's the analysis today, and we are, I think, everyone interested for the gold reaction today. Anyone want the silver trade? So you told me, and you can see this. That's the on the chart, guys. That's a huge gap up opening for the price, and so that's why I told you the price was induced this price level. So let's see how the price will be happened here. So I think that's enough analysis for that time. So let's see you in the video, the end section. So that's the chart analysis video. So you can very informative from our video. So please like and subscribe our channel to grow our community, and please complete the 5,000 subscriber challenge. So I will give away for you. So you will interested for this challenge. You only one thing do, it's to subscribe this channel and also the like the video and create a, you can post a good comment for that. So I will find the top three winners. I will giving you the $100 account for the your trading journey for helping. Okay, so you will interested on this channel. So please like and subscribe our channel. Okay, guys, this channel for only for you and helping for you. Okay, I'm not want anything for you. I am no force selling. I am not any type of this. I only interested for you helping you and grow our community. So thanks for watching, guys. We are join us our community, and you also one more thing that you also join our telegram community for your help. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you.